Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm on the Gaggenau Induction, the modular piece. So this is the 15-inch version, and this is a 2-burner piece, super sleek, can really go in the island, can kind of go anywhere, and nice and flush. So let's look at the controls right here. So they're backlit, so once I press them in, they go on. So we'll put the back burner at 11, and then we'll put the front at a 9. So check this out. So when you see it up here, you're gonna see the lighting on, dedicated burners. It's blinking because we don't have a pot on there, but if we put a pot on there, you're really gonna see the induction come all the way full force. The best part about this burner is we can tandemly put both of these together as one. So you could put a grill pan down and do some grilling options. You could do that oversized cast iron, that oversized skillet, and really use a free form and kind of get both burners working at once. Or if you do have that griddle and you want to do something like steaks or something like that, you could pan sear on the high in the center, you know what I mean, and go back to the low burner, being that you have dual temperature right here, okay? Makes it nice and convenient. You have a timer right here and another timer. So they give you 2 timers, for your applications, kind of for all your needs. But this is going to be the same power that you get from the regular induction, just in a smaller, more compact piece. This is ideal for customers in condos, townhouses, or if you just don't need that much. You don't have that much space, but you don't need that much. Induction's super efficient, it's really well done, and it's super easy to clean. So this application can kind of go anywhere in your secondary kitchen, your first kitchen, or your even baking area. So think about outside the box and how much you can really do with a 2-burner induction. I mean, we can do anything from breakfast on here, boil some pasta still put 2 great sized burners on here, great sized pots to do a multiple variety of cooking. So think about that, and it's etched glass, cleans up nice and easily, and these controls are super cool and hidden. So think about that. 2-burner induction is a great piece from Gaggenau.